Bristol Community College, Mathematics with Dan Avedikian, Math 011, Arithmetic, Section 3.6, Problem 16. This is Section 3.6, Problem 16. It says write the number as a decimal, and we have 8 3/5, right? 8 3/5 is a decimal. So the 8, don't even worry about it. The answer is going to be 8 point something. Just deal with the 3/5. Now, as I've mentioned with most of these other problems, if I can use my calculator, I'll just do 3 divided by 5. Numerator divide by the denominator, and I'll get an answer right away. Now, if you don't have a calculator, you have to do it out the long way. So you make a division problem. The denominator of your fraction goes in front of the division symbol. The numerator goes inside the division symbol. 5 divided into 3. Now, the 3 is not big enough. 5 won't fit into 3. So write it as 3.0 and treat it as if it's a 30. But when I do that, the decimal I put has to come straight up into the answer. So now 5 will divide into 30 6 times. It actually fits nicely on the first digit that I put there. So 6 times 5 is 30. I have 30 minus 30 is 0. So it fits in 0.6. Now keep in mind, the answer is not just 0.6. It really has to be 8.6 because I had 8 and a fraction. So as a decimal, 8 3/5 is equivalent to 8.6.